Hi, my name is Paul.
And I'm Rose, and we are digital business owners from Japan.
Hi, I'm Millicent and I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I am an employee of Archdiocese of Melbourne and I am an online business owner.
Hi, my name is Maureen.
My name is Freddie. We are from Alberta, Canada, and I'm doing healthcare aid.
And I'm working as an electronic assembly technician.
And we are digital business owners.
Hi, I am Francisca from San Diego, California.
Hi, this is Shanaz from Montreal. Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Gordon from Alberta, Canada. I work in a home care facility and I'm an online business owner.
Hi, my name is James Didden. I'm a digital business owner down here in sunny Florida.
Hi everyone, I'm Maria Medusam. I live here in Montreal, Canada.
Hi, my name is Diana. I live in Maine and I'm a business owner.
Hi, I'm Sarab Sakile, living in Canada, an ACE and a digital business owner.
Hi, my name is Mila and I'm from British Columbia, Canada. I'm a digital business owner.
My name is Mindro Jalo. I'm an accountant. I live in Toronto.
Hi everyone, my name is Cheryl Juarez and I am a CNA, a dialysis technician, and a digital business owner here in California, USA.
Hey everyone, this is Zara. I'm coming to you from beautiful Montreal, Canada.
My name is Mary from Ontario, Canada, and I'm an online business owner.
Hi everyone, this is Lan from Washington, D.C., DMV area, and I'm a proud digital business owner.
Hi, I'm Sonia, a digital business owner from Alberta, Canada.
To pay off all our debts, our mortgage, our credit cards.
I wanted to prepare for my retirement.
Retire young, happy, healthy.
Because I want to have freedom of time. I'll be able to work anytime and anywhere I want.
I don't have to work for a 9-to-5 job. I prefer this because of the time. As time is very precious for kids.
I want stability in my life and I want to build a better future for my family.
To be able to have a side income and to be able to have extra funds for travel and vacation.
So we're able to pay off all our credit cards.
And just bought a brand new house.
And most especially, we have more time for our family.
For the type of business people have to go out to their office, you can do it from home. And at the same time, you're earning.
We were able to do it even though we're working as a full-time teachers and enjoy our lifestyles and travel with our families.
The flexibility where I can work anytime, anywhere I want. And it's 24/7 because it's worldwide.
We have been blessed to have found the right system with the right training and the right mentoring to be able to succeed in this business.
We can finally visualize our future with certainties. We buy our own house, no more financial burdens, no more working long hours.
My kids are my priority, and this online business allowed me to work within my own schedule.
It has changed my life and so many lives. It will change your life too, guys. I'm so grateful, guys. I'm so grateful to God.
Click below to find out more about this amazing business.